View. Now guys, I'm going to give you guys everything you need to know when it comes to the Chime Credit Builder Visa card. Now this is 2021. I've had this card for about 3 to 4 years, so I can speak on this. I can vouch if these are right, if these are wrong, and I want to give the best information that I can to you guys. In the process of this, I'm going to say this early because if you guys do want to sign up with Chime, they're actually going to give you guys $50 free right now just for signing up. They sponsored this video. So $50 free, but you have to use the link in the description, which is my link. The link in the description, you'll get $50, and then also you'll receive all of these good benefits I'm going to talk about here shortly. Now, some of those benefits that I'm going to highlight 2 or 3 benefits. You got the benefits of getting paid 2 to 3 days earlier. You know, some people get paid 4 days earlier. It just really all depends on the payroll and your HR. There's no fees, overdraft fees. You know, you get a savings account, credit builder account, spending account. So it's a lot of benefits. We're going to talk about the Chime Credit Builder Visa card here. And let's get right into this. Drop the comments below if you got questions, because they did update a lot of information when it came to the Chime Credit Builder card, which I've discussed on my channel. But we're going to get right into this. Starting off, regular APR, nothing. Annual fees, there's no annual fees. A welcome bonus, we're doing this. Me and Chime is doing this welcoming bonus for $50. So I can correct that. I just mentioned that. So $50 if you were thinking about downloading Chime right now, use that in my link. This is strictly from Forbes. This is their verdict. All right, guys, so let's highlight some of the pros and the cons of the credit builder card. As I mentioned before, I have it personally, so I will vouch if it's right, if it's wrong. You know, I've had it for 3 to 4 years. I had it for a while now, so I can let you guys know my experiences with the card. The pros, no annual fees. Correct. Now, if you have a traditional bank, some traditional banks, you actually have to keep a certain, either you got to keep a certain amount in your bank account, or you got annual fees each month you have to pay just to keep the account open. Some places charge $9, some places charge $5, some $29, some $39. It really all depends on your bank and their rules and how they operate. Now with the Chime, you don't have to worry about having a certain amount in your account. You don't have to worry about any additional fees of, annual fees. So there's no monthly maintenance fees you have to pay with Chime. The traditional bank, they have annual fees. They have the APR fees, which is the interest fees. With Chime, there is zero. No minimum security deposit required. So that's another thing. Traditional banks, some of them, you have to have at least $5 down, $50 down, $100 down. Some places you got to have $500 down just to get a bank account. With Chime, zero. Nothing. You could actually create a bank account with $0, but you have to use the link in the description. All right. Also, what's next? So we have no annual fees, no interest charges, no minimum security deposit required. Use your deposit to pay for your monthly balance, meaning every dollar that you spend on your Chime Credit Builder card will be reported to the credit bureaus. And you're using your own money. So it's not a credit line. You're not receiving $500 from Chime and then they're going to add interest on there. You're using your own money, but that money that you use will be reported to all 3. As you guys can see that there, all 3. So that's a win-win. Now we're going to talk about the pros. Well, we just talked about the pros. We're going to talk about the cons here shortly. But I want to address that if you guys want Chime, use the link in the description. You're getting $50 free just for downloading the application. $50 free. Now, their cons, you need a direct deposit account with Chime. That is correct, meaning to access or to, I should say, unlock these features, you do as far as your credit builder account, you have to have direct deposit. Now that's for Chime safety as well, because they're not just going to be giving out cards and accounts to people who are just going to use them and, use their money, use their overdraft policies and not have direct deposit. So you do have to have some type of direct deposit into that account. Now, to receive some of these accounts, which is a tip, you got to have at least $250 in there getting direct deposit, and you will actually unlock basically all of everything that we talked about. Now, you can't get a credit limit greater than your deposit, meaning a traditional bank account with a credit card, they got credit lines of, you may start out with $200, $250, $500, $750, $1,000 and up, just like that. With the Chime credit builder card, considering it is a secured card, you are only spending and using your own money. You're not using a bank's money. You're not getting a loan using that money. Now, you're using the money that's deposited into your account. Now, that's good and bad, but overall, it's going to be good because you're not spending money that you don't have. Your cards, once again, you're not getting loaned any money. You're using your own money. And as of right now, Chime, they're not lending. They're not a loan service, so you don't have that option. Now, let's highlight some of the highlights of this. And this is strictly from Forbes. Forbes is an amazing website. They've been around forever. This accredited source when it comes to this. So some of the highlights that they highlighted was there's no interest charges. As we mentioned, you don't have to worry about interest. You don't have to worry about any annual fees, and there's no foreign transaction fee. Now, there's no foreign transaction fee. Now, some people actually have a lot of questions when it comes to this, but if you're not ordering anything online, like overseas, where Spain or somewhere, I don't know, but the transaction fees that the traditional banks charge, there's none with the Chime. But that really has to apply, and if it don't apply, let it fly. That's everything you need to know about your Chime Credit Builder Visa Card 2021 review. If you guys currently have the card, drop the comments below. That's everything you need to know about your credit builder card in 2021. If you guys got any questions, just drop the comments below. I'm here to help you guys. And actually, Chime Bank is sponsoring this video. And if you got questions, you can always drop the comments below regarding Chime, TurboTax, anything. And I'm going to try my best to answer, and they will as well. Now, don't forget, I'm doing that giveaway, which is on my channel. All you guys got to do is literally just go to my channel, and you'll see giveaway. You'll be entered. It's very, very simple, very, very easy. It's just my way of giving back to the people that subscribe, to people that actually watch me on a day-to-day basis. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Tell somebody you love them. You're blessed. You're breathing. You're healthy. Yeah, let's take over 2021.